how to use 5 grams with your iPhone. If your new iPhone comes with a SIM card, use that SIM card. If not, use the SIM card from your previous iPhone. In some cases, you need to contact your carrier to set up the SIM card from your previous iPhone for use with a 5G network. The default settings for 5G on iPhone are optimized for battery life and data usage based on your data plan. You can customize these options for when to use 5G and how much data to use in some apps. Find these options by going to Settings Cellular Data Options. If you're using dual SIM, go to Settings Cellular and choose the number whose options you want to change. Choose how your iPhone uses the 5G network, which can affect battery life. 5G Auto enables Smart Data Mode. When 5G speeds don't provide a noticeably better experience, your iPhone automatically switches to LTE, saving battery life. 5G On always uses 5G network when it's available. This might reduce battery life. LTE uses only LTE network, even when 5G is available. Allow more data on 5G, enables higher data usage features for apps and system tasks. These include higher quality FaceTime, high-definition content on Apple TV, Apple Music songs and videos, and iOS updates over cellular. This setting also allows third-party apps to use more cellular data for enhanced experiences. This is the default setting with some unlimited data plans, depending on your carrier. This setting uses more cellular data. Standard allows automatic updates in background tasks on cellular and uses standard quality settings for video and FaceTime. This is generally the default mode. Low data mode helps reduce Wi-Fi and cellular data usage by pausing automatic updates in background tasks. Thanks for watching.